check out this view. A nice little tree of shade. Alright people, and here we are at Anakista. I'm going to show you all around and check it out. This is your boy Mr. Bucket List. Alright folks, as you can see, we are in Anakista, or at Anakista, heading up this chairlift. Now, that's a truck you can ride if you don't want to do the chairlift. Anakista is one of the newest mountaintops that they opened up, so I'm pretty excited. Alright, so if you look and see, we're literally right above all these trees. Now this actually kind of reminds me of Jamaica in a way. This is exactly how Jamaica was. Of course, it was nicer, but still, not bad for something in America. So yeah, people, if you didn't know, it is your boy Mr. Bucket List, and here we are today in Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. So I recently bought a vacation home here, and so of course, like any person that... Alright, so if you look, Anakista is a little bit different than the last place, because one that has those boxes, so the skylift box type things. You can see behind me we got quite a view. Crazy. And then there's... Alright folks, so here we are at Anakista. What's going on, folks? So here we are at Anakista, atop of another mountain here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. So let's take a look. Right here you have a little splash pad for the kiddos. Got a bunch of different restaurants and stuff like that. Beautiful. Here we go. Push forward on the handle.
Enjoy, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa. 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 Oh my goodness. Ah. Oh. Oh! Oh! I had to slow it down, you all. My camera fell, everything. Wow. This is the scariest. And then, y'all, this is the hill to get back up. So look how steep that hill is. The only single ride, for the first single rail mountain coaster in the world, and I just rode it. Okay, y'all, and while we're here, so look at my view. This is the hill, that's me, going all the way out. Crazy, right? Alright people, so I'm doing it again because my camera fell down on the first ride, so you're welcome. Thank you. Alright people, here we go. Oh. Oh. the newest areas, Vista Gardens, which also includes the Anacostia Tower. Okay, so let's check out Vista Gardens. These flowers are strong. It smells terrible though, it's weird. But it's beautiful though. And then you got this Bear Adventure. Oh Lord. Look at these beautiful flowers and butterflies. Oh my god, this is just paradise right now. That's the play area. Pretty cool. So cool. Then you got this big old tree guy, Mr. Willow Man. Crazy. Pretty huge. Mr. Willow Man right behind us.
Back that way and do the mountain. Back here, come on! You better wait for Daddy. Hey! Que se me mueve la tierra de andar allá en los...
Thanks for waiting to take a picture of us, Iris.
Sorry.
All right. And then this is the gardens of Anakista. Now I apologize you all for not really talking that much. I'm kind of just in awe of everything I'm seeing, so I'm just kind of walking. How do I get up there? Where did I go? Alright, and then here we are at the Anacostia Tower. This is one of the highest points in Gatlinburg. Beautiful. The new Anacostia Tower. Alright folks, so we are at the Anacostia Tower, and this is the highest point in Gatlinburg, one of the highest points in Gatlinburg. As you can see all around me, nothing but these Smoky Mountains. Crazy beautiful view, huh? So here we are at the Treetop Skywalk. This is the actual longest Treetop Skywalk in the world. So breaking another Mr. Bucket List record. Let's do it. Whoa, shoot. Just walking down here feels dangerous. Look at this. This is crazy right now. Anakista. There's magic in the mountains. Thanks for social distancing. Alright, and this is how steep the steps are. I mean, just look at that. Scary. Oh, shoot. Man, this thing feels so dangerous. All right, folks, so here we are on, this is the Skywalk, I believe, the treetop. If you can see, look how tall those trees are. And this crazy bridge. All right, we're almost here. Ooh, look at that, it's missing. Oh, that's not good looking. People, so we are on this tree bridge going uphill now, which is very scary and very dangerous. I'm gonna take a picture. We are on this treetop course, so it is one of the longest. It is the longest in the world and one of the highest in the world. If you can see, the trees are all the way down there. Come up, and there we are. And then this is kind of the respect to the forest fire that happened here up in the Smoky Mountains. They're pretty cool. It still preserves the history. What's going on, folks? So it's your boy Mr. Bucket List, and check out this view. A nice little tree of shade, chilling. All right, folks, so we are heading back down the hill, and Anakista was really cool. It's a good little place to spend a couple hours. But now I want to get the drone out and fly, because right now nothing's going on. No rain or nothing. It's beautiful right now. The Margaritaville Resort back there. We got Anakista, which looks like a snow lift type place, ski resort. And then you got me, Mr. Bucket List. So now what I'm about to do once I get down here is I'm gonna go to my car, grab my drone, and try to get some really nice shots of the area and the mountains and stuff like that. So let's do it. Okay, and then here we go. Anakista. Thanks for watching the video. If you like what you saw, please check out my channel for more videos just like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until then, I'll see you next time. Peace.